Hello, welcome to English for Everyone, where we practice real-life American English. Today we're going to learn to use the right preposition in the right situation. So let's get started. So, when I use the adjective nice, is it correct to say nice to her or nice for her? Well, it depends on the structure. If I say he is nice to her. We use to. Pronunciation, he's nice to her. To her. He's nice to her. But if I say he did something nice, we don't say to her. He did something nice for her. Let's practice. Is he nice to her? That's right, he's nice to her. Did he do something nice for her? That's right, he did something nice for her.
I tried to do something nice for you, and I'm sorry.
I wanted to do something nice for you. Just thank you.
Sorry, I was just trying to do something nice for her. So.
Next time, try a gift card or something harmless, you know?
I'm trying to do something nice for you, okay?
Let us do something nice for you, okay?
Well, I just want to do something nice for you.
His regular teacher went on maternity leave, and the new one wants to do something nice for the kids.
And then you can do something nice for him.
Be nice to her, Charlie.
And Jimmy wasn't nice to her.
That's the lady. And you're going to be real nice to her and get the key to the bank.
I've never been nice to her, and now she's getting aggressive with you.
When he tries to be nice to her and get close to her, she goes and calls her guys, her friends, and makes plans with them.
Just be nice to her. And try. Try not to get on her nerves.
That's all I ask. Just please be nice to her.
She likes you because you're nice to her, and she's nice to you because you can control you.
Let's talk about opposites. What's the opposite of nice? The opposite of nice is mean. And we use the same preposition to. He's nice to her. And the opposite, he's mean to her. But what if I say he did something mean? If I say he did something mean, I don't use for her, I use to her. So in both cases, we use to when talking about mean. He's mean to her and he did something mean to her. Both cases we use to. Pronunciation, to her. He's mean to her and he did something mean to her. He shouldn't be mean to her. He should be nice to her. Let's practice. Is he mean to her? That's right, he's mean to her. Did he do something mean to her? That's right, he did something mean to her. Should he be mean to her? That's right, he shouldn't be mean to her. Should he be nice to her? That's right, he should be nice to her.
I've been letting them go. Even the ones who are really mean to me all the time.
I never really liked regular school. People were mean. To me.
Yeah, but if we were his friends, then people might start to be mean to us too.
Sorry for being mean to you.
Being mean to you? Be silent. Great. You're hurting your mother. That's fine.
I would never be mean to you.
Will you be mean to him too?
Because I was always so mean to them.
Why were you so mean to her? Was I lying?
No.
So we see also that we do not use the preposition with. I cannot say he's nice with her or he's mean with her. Use to. He's nice to her, or you can say he's mean to her. And if it's in the moment, I can use be in the continuous form being. If it's only happening right now, I can say he's being mean to her. He's being mean to her right now. It's not every day. He's not always mean to her, but right now he's being mean to her. Let's practice. Is he being mean to her? That's right, he's being mean to her. Let's practice with more opposites. Rude and polite are opposites. If you say please and thank you, you are polite. And if you don't say please and you don't say thank you, you are rude. And we use the same preposition to. He opened the door for her, so I can say he's polite to her. He's a polite person, and he's polite to her. He's always polite to her. He's polite to everybody. Not with. Do not say he's polite with everybody. Use the preposition to. He's polite to everybody. And he's polite to her. Let's practice. Is he polite to her? That's right, he's polite to her. Is he polite to everybody? That's right. He's polite to everybody.
People need me. I'm a caregiver. It's what I do, and you're just all I ask you to do.
You should really try to be more polite to people.
Nice to see a young man being so polite to his mother.
Maybe a B.
Why don't you try being polite to your boyfriend's boss, Sugar Ben?
Hey.
Besides, try to be nice to you, to be polite to you.
Be polite to everyone, and say hi to your family for me, Joe.
And the opposite is rude. If you don't say please and you don't say thank you, you don't have manners, then the person is rude. This person is rude to everybody. He's a rude person. And he's rude to her. He says rude things. Let's practice. Is he rude to her? That's right, he's rude to her. Does he say rude things? That's right, he says rude things. Is he rude to everybody? That's right, he's rude to everybody. He's a rude person.
Blair told her father that I was rude to her.
If anyone was rude to her, she spat in their food.
I had a good hunch what they wanted, and I was going to have to shut down this meeting quickly, but without being rude to Joey Bag of Donuts and Secaucus Sal.
Just because you have company, you don't need to be rude to her.
You walked away, and I was just wondering why I was being rude to someone who loves the same writer I do.
You are being rude to me.
And we have these opposites, kind and cruel. If you're kind, you don't want to hurt anybody. You want to help people. And if you're cruel, you want to hurt people, or maybe animals. You can say someone is cruel to animals if they want to hurt animals. And we use the same preposition to. Example, he's kind. He takes care of animals. He wants to take care of them and make them feel better. He wants to help them. So I can say he's kind to animals. You cannot say he's kind with animals. No, you have to use to. He's kind to animals. Pronunciation, to animals. He's kind to animals. Let's practice. Is he kind to animals? That's right, he's kind to animals.
He's the only person who's ever been kind to her, and then he shows up all bloody from fighting that other one.
I'm kind to animals and children.
The truth is, I wasn't always as kind to him as I should have been.
The desert isn't kind to equipment.
You were so kind to me.
You see, no one was ever kind to him.
You've always been so kind to me in my aborted attempts at wooing Joe.
Your companion was very kind to me when I was a lonely little boy.
And this guy, he's cruel. He wants to hurt animals. So I can say he's cruel to animals. Use the preposition to. He's cruel to animals. He wants to hurt them. He likes hurting them. He's a cruel person. Let's practice. Is he cruel to animals? That's right, he's cruel to animals. Horrible.
Hey, little buddy. Don't be cruel to me for waking you up, but we're here.
If he fails, we'll execute him, like the others who have been exceptionally cruel to their own people.
I haven't been cruel to her by design. I'm just saying that Alaska can be particularly cruel to the weak.
It was a horrible day when they were so cruel to him.
New York can be pretty cruel to strangers, Charlie.
Please don't be cruel to me.
One night, when the baby had been particularly cruel to her, she called on the goblins for help.
So remember, with all these adjectives, we do not use with. When you say nice or mean, polite or rude, kind or cruel, do not use the preposition with. Use the preposition to. Unless you say do something nice. If you do something nice, we use a different preposition. We use for. You do something nice for somebody. It's special. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to become a member, click the join button. And we'll see you next time.